Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to tackle something that is, frankly, a massive headache for so many businesses: managing leads. We're diving into GoHighLevel's Conversation AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to master your communication and, most importantly, stop leaving money on the table. Let's jump right in.
So let me just ask you this, and be honest. Does this feel familiar? You're doing all this work, you're getting leads, your ads are running, but somehow potential customers just seem to vanish. It's frustrating, right? Well, you're definitely not alone. It's a huge and very expensive problem for so many people.
And this quote right here, it just hits the nail on the head. So often, the problem isn't your leads. It's the fact that you can't follow up with them instantly and consistently. When you're trying to do it all manually, it's pretty much impossible to keep up. And that's exactly where automation comes in to save the day. Okay, so here's the game plan for today. First, we'll really dig into that constant follow-up problem. Then I'll introduce you to your brand new AI assistant. We'll go step by step through training it, telling it what to do, and then actually putting it to work. And finally, we'll look at the incredible results you can expect. All right, let's get into our first topic, the constant follow-up problem. Seriously, this is the one thing that stops so many businesses from growing the way they should.
I mean, just think about it. A new lead comes in. To have the best shot at closing that deal, you need to respond almost immediately. But what if you're driving, or you're with a client, or it's 11 o'clock at night? Every minute that goes by, that lead gets colder and colder. Trying to do this by hand for every single lead, it's just a recipe for burnout and tons of missed opportunities.
But what if you had a team member who works 24/7, never gets tired, and responds perfectly to every single lead, every single time? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's time to meet your new AI assistant. So, what exactly is Conversation AI? Put simply, it's a built-in feature that basically acts as your frontline sales and support person. It can jump into conversations on SMS, on social media DMs, you name it, and it makes sure that no lead ever feels ignored, no matter when they decide to reach out. And here's what's so cool about it. This is not just some dumb autoresponder. It can actually answer specific questions, figure out if a lead is actually a good fit for you, and, this is the best part, it can get them booked right onto your calendar without you having to lift a finger. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This sounds amazing, but it's got to be super complicated to set up, right? Absolutely not. Let's walk through the super simple 3-step kickstart to get your chatbot trained and ready for action. Yeah, it really is that easy. You literally just go to the bot training area, give it some links and info to learn from, and then you just let it do its thing. The whole process is designed to be incredibly simple and intuitive. And this is the core idea you need to grasp. You're not a coder, you're a teacher. You just give the AI the same stuff you'd give a new human employee. Just point it to your website's FAQ page, your pricing page, your blog posts, whatever you've got. It will read it, understand it, and then use that knowledge to answer customer questions accurately. So, once your bot has done its homework and it's trained, the next step is to give it a mission. You've got to tell it what its main goals should be in any conversation. In GoHighLevel, this is called setting its intent. And you basically have two main choices here. You can set the intent to general question and answer, which is perfect if you wanted to act like a customer support rep. Or you can set it to appointment booking, where its number one priority is to drive that conversation toward getting a meeting scheduled with you. Choosing the right intent here is absolutely key to making the AI work for your specific business goals. All right, your AI is smart, it has its mission. Now for the final and maybe most important step, deciding how much control to hand over. This is where you choose between suggestive mode and autopilot mode. This flexibility is what makes this feature a real game changer. In suggestive mode, think of the AI as a helpful assistant sitting next to you. It whispers the perfect reply in your ear, or, suggested on the screen, and you just have to click send. It's perfect for building trust. Then, when you're ready, you flip the switch to autopilot mode. Now, it's a fully trusted employee, handling everything by itself.
Okay, so we've covered the what and the how, but let's talk about the why. What's the real-world impact of setting this up? How does this actually turn a simple chat into a paying customer?
This number pretty much says it all. Take Sarah, a realtor we know. She was getting messages at all hours. Before, a message at 10 p.m. asking if a house was still for sale would just sit there until the next morning. By then, that lead had already messaged 3 other realtors. Now her AI instantly replies, yes, it is, answers a question about the local schools, and asks if they'd like to book a showing. That one change led to a 40% jump in real, meaningful engagement with clients.
So, what's the big takeaway here? It's simple. You're going to save an insane amount of time. You're going to engage every single lead the second they reach up. You're going to book way more qualified appointments. And maybe best of all, you finally have a safety net so that you never let a hot lead fall through the cracks again.
And that really brings us to the final question you should be asking yourself. When you think about all the time you'd save and all the new business you could close, it becomes really clear this isn't just another software feature. This is like hiring your very first AI employee. So, the only question left is, are you ready to bring one on board?